Imagine waking up and seeing your bank account growing while you sleep. No extra hours worked, no stress, just the power of your money working for you. That's the beauty of investing in stocks, and it's a strategy that can change your financial future forever. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to build wealth faster than you ever thought possible, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps to get there. Trust me, by the end, you'll know how to make your money grow on autopilot. And if you're serious about securing your financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more powerful strategies, just like this one. To really understand how to grow your wealth through investing, you first need to grasp how the stock market works. Picture the stock market as a giant marketplace where people buy and sell pieces of companies, called shares. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a small part of that company, and as the company grows and profits, so does the value of your share. That's how your money begins to work for you, compounding over time. Investors, like you and me, use this system to not just make quick gains, but to build long-term wealth. And here's the thing, the stock market isn't just for the rich or financial experts. With the right approach, anyone can use it to grow their wealth steadily. But investing without a strategy is like wandering through a maze blindfolded. To accelerate your financial success, you need a game plan. This involves knowing what companies to invest in, when to buy, and when to hold. With a clear, strategic approach, you can set yourself up for the kind of financial success that lasts a lifetime. So, how do you actually get started in the stock market? Let's break it down into a few simple steps. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the stock market. There are plenty of options out there, but the key is finding one that suits your needs. Whether you're looking for low fees, easy-to-use platforms, or access to educational tools for beginners. Take some time to compare your options before you dive in. Next, set clear investment goals. Are you aiming for short-term gains, or are you in this for the long haul? Defining your goals early on helps shape your strategy and keeps you focused. If you're looking to build long-term wealth, you'll likely want to focus on investments that grow steadily over time, like index funds or dividend-paying stocks. Then, it's time to assess your risk tolerance. How much are you willing to risk, and how much volatility can you handle? Understanding your comfort level with risk is crucial because it determines how you should structure your portfolio. Diversifying, spreading your money across different types of investments, helps manage risk and protect you from market swings. Remember, before jumping in, it's essential to learn the basics. The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make, and the faster you'll see results. With a solid plan and clear strategies, you'll be well on your way to building wealth in the stock market. Now that you're set up with a brokerage account and clear on your goals, let's talk about how to actually buy stocks. First, there are two main types of stocks you'll come across: common and preferred. Common stocks are the most popular. When you own common stock, you're entitled to vote on company matters and receive dividends, which is a portion of the company's profits. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, don't give you voting rights, but they often come with higher dividends and get paid out before common stocks if the company goes under. So, which one is right for you? If you're after long-term growth and want to say in the company's direction, common stocks are likely your best bet. But if you prefer more stable income, preferred stocks might be worth considering. When it comes to picking stocks, it's all about research. You need to choose companies that align with your financial goals. Are you looking for high growth potential, or do you want stable companies that pay out dividends? Take time to evaluate a company's performance, financial health, and future prospects before deciding to invest. Once you've made your choice, it's time to buy. There are two main ways to do this: using a market order or a limit order. A market order is the simplest. You're buying the stock at whatever the current price is. It's fast and easy, but the price can fluctuate before the order goes through. On the other hand, with a limit order, you set the price you're willing to pay, and the purchase will only go through if the stock hits that price. Limit orders give you more control, but they're not guaranteed to be fulfilled if the price doesn't reach your target. Knowing how to buy stocks strategically is key to maximizing your returns and minimizing risks, so make sure you're clear on what works best for your investment style. Dividend stocks are a fantastic option for beginners because they provide a steady stream of passive income while you build your portfolio. But what exactly are dividend stocks? Simply put, They're shares of companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. This means, in addition to your stock potentially increasing in value over time, you're also earning regular payouts, usually quarterly. Now, how do you identify the best dividend stocks? The key is to look for companies that have a strong track record of consistently paying and even increasing their dividends over time. These are usually well-established, stable companies in industries like utilities, consumer goods, or healthcare. When a company has been able to weather economic downturns and still maintain or raise their dividend payments, it's often a sign of financial strength and reliability. One powerful strategy to maximize your wealth growth is dividend reinvestment. Instead of cashing out your dividends, you can automatically reinvest them into more shares of the same stock. This creates a snowball effect, where your dividends earn dividends, compounding your wealth faster over time. It's an easy way to accelerate your financial success without having to lift a finger. By focusing on dividend-paying stocks and reinvesting those earnings, you're building a portfolio that not only grows in value, but also provides you with a consistent, passive income stream that can last a lifetime. While understanding the basics of investing is a solid first step, what really accelerates your wealth-building journey is ongoing education. The stock market can seem complicated at times, but the more you dive into learning, the more confident and strategic you'll become. That's when you start making smarter moves that can significantly boost your returns. There are countless educational resources out there, ranging from beginner guides to advanced strategies that teach you how to navigate the stock market with precision. Whether it's through books, online courses, or expert-led webinars, these tools offer you a comprehensive understanding of how the market works and how to make it work for you. And here's the secret: there are proven frameworks that can take the guesswork out of investing. With the right strategies, you can streamline your approach, make informed decisions, and get faster, more consistent results. It's about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging the knowledge that's already out there. If you're serious about taking your stock market success to the next level, check out the link in the description for exclusive resources that can fast-track your journey. Don't just invest. Invest wisely and watch your wealth grow faster than you thought possible. Once you've started investing, it's crucial to keep track of how your investments are performing. Regularly reviewing your portfolio helps you stay on top of market trends and ensure that your strategy is still aligned with your financial goals. The stock market is dynamic, and sometimes you'll need to make adjustments to keep your investments on the right track. Fortunately, there are plenty of tools and apps that make portfolio tracking easy. Apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Personal Capital give you a clear overview of your investments, performance, and even suggest potential changes based on market conditions. These platforms allow you to monitor your portfolio in real time, so you can quickly spot opportunities or adjust when necessary. As your financial goals evolve, so should your investment strategy. Whether you're nearing retirement, aiming to purchase property, or simply looking to diversify further, it's important to revisit your goals and adapt your approach over time. The beauty of investing is that it's flexible. You can always tweak your strategy to suit your current needs and future ambitions. By staying proactive and adjusting when necessary, you'll ensure that your portfolio continues to work in your favor, helping you build wealth faster and more efficiently. Before you go, if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of investing, be sure to check out this video right here. It's the perfect guide for beginners looking to expand their knowledge and start making smart investment moves today. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more content that will help you build your wealth faster. See you in the next video and keep building that wealth.